Yo, guys, I got a killer fart coming. Never mind. Hey, guys, I got an epic fart coming. Alright. Alright, boys. That was like a really good fart. Yo, what's up? Got a fart coming. That was a good one. Okay, time to make history. Quick one. Yep. Yo, what is up, guys? Coca music here, and I just gotta... Okay, guys, I'm gonna try really hard to get this one out. Honestly, I almost peed myself. Wasn't really worth it. God. That was epicness. Okay, guys, history time. It's epic time once again. Little one. Let's go, laddies. Good one, good one. You know what? Okay, I had to try really hard, right? Give me an A for effort. Good. Yo, what is up, guys? Coca music. I've been saving this one up all day. Let's just get started. Oh, dude, that was just epicness. That was... Oh, God. Oh, God, it's like a mixture of gasoline and fucking... Oh, dude, these are like Gianni's fucking Pop-Tart farts, dude. These are unholy fuck. Yo, what is up, guys? Coca music. I'm gonna try really hard this one. Hopefully I won't pee my pants. Alright, let's go. I almost shit myself. Yo, what is up, guys? Coca music here, and I'm gonna fart. Let's XD. Alright. So right now, hold on, let me... Oh, yeah! Right now, I'm on the borderline between shitting myself and making a really good stinky fart. So, yeah. I might have to go to the bathroom next time I, try to fart in my mic. Alright, see ya. Alright, let's go. Too soon, too soon. It's finally ready. Damn it, it's like I'm so close to shitting myself. Fuck. Okay, let's go. That was Okay, let's go, laddies. Oh, that was amazing. Fuck. Well, there's some. More, a good one's coming up. Don't worry, I can feel it in my butt. Not missing this one out. It's slipping, guys. That was a wet and warm one, buddy. Let us go into the realm of Buttland. That was like a 6 out of 10. Pretty good one, pretty good one. It's time to channel my chi into my butt. 100 farts, let's go. Yo, what is up, guys? Kokopo music and... Oh, dude. Dude, fuck.